Hey guys, this is Don. Welcome back to Redline Garage. Something a little different this time. So, a friend of mine, he has a YouTube channel, Redline Die Cast Cars, and he shows cars that he's going to be auctioning on the YouTube group Studio-Redlines. And recently, I've bitten the bullet and I've actually won a few cars from him. And last week I went a little overboard. So I just wanted to show you and thank you, Jim, for selling these and doing what you do. Jim's a really great guy, and I really appreciate, knowing great people in this hobby. And, so thank you from Jim. All right, and he always throws some kind of candy in with the cars, and it's really neat. Then I just wanted to show you guys. So let's get this one out first. I didn't want to open these up because I wanted to show my reaction. And this gold Hot Ones. The 11 car, this was Darrell Waltrip's NASCAR for Junior Johnson back in the day. That is really neat. So most of these are black walls. I did go ahead and I want a couple of red lines in here too, which I never thought I would do. So here's something really neat. So there's a couple Corvettes, and this is one of those high rakers. You can pull the back wheels down, jack it up. I actually have another one of these. I might have to get it out and compare it to this one. Another Jolly Rancher here. Oh, here's the other Corvette. Another gold Hot Ones. These. So if you look at these wheels, I mean, some of the black walls, pretty sure I've seen with silver hubs, and those would be chrome Hot Ones. This wheel is the Hot Ones wheel. So these are the gold Hot Ones, and the metal flake in this vet. Oh wow, it really sparkles in the light. So I really like that. Let's see what else we have here. Oh, here we go. Let's see. I want to save the red lines for last. This one here, I wasn't really expecting to buy this car, but you know what? It's different. It's unique. This is, I'm not sure what this is. It's an old car. If you guys know what the name of this is, put it in the comments below. So throw that up on the turntable for you. Let's see. Here's another. Oh, yeah. Here we go. Here we go. This is a. This is the Monte Carlo. No, this is the Torino Stalker. This is the Torino Stalker, and I believe it was based on a. It's copyright 1974. So I don't know if it was based on the 74 Torino or the 75 Torino. When I was a kid, my mother bought a brand new car. And what it was a 1975 Ford Grand Torino with a 351 Windsor under the hood, of all things. And I really loved that car. Wish we still had it. All right, what do we have here? Oh, yeah, here we go. Here we go, 57 Chevy with the Ultra Hots wheels. Oh, yeah. Big block sticking out of the hood. Can't go wrong with that. Oh, this is mentioned. This is another gold Hot Ones. All right. Okay. And what did we... Okay, here we go. Here we go. All right, we're getting down to it. So, a couple of these. So this one I couldn't pass up. The Dodge Omni, Omni 024. I had this exact one when I was a kid. It was part of my childhood collection that I lost in a house fire in 2012. So I absolutely had to have that. And then he had to one-up me. And because I didn't know what he was listing. Shame on me for not watching his videos. He had the one in the Metal Flake blue. And so you knew I had to go for that one. So there's that. And then we have two Redlines. Get this opened up here. Great packaging, by the way. And this one, this is the classic Nomad in aqua. The hood only opens that far. There's no hood nick. But this is one. You know, I restore a lot of Redlines, but, you know, I recognize when something is too good to be restored, and this is one that is never going to be restored. As long as I have it, it will stay original to what it is. And whoever, when the time comes, yeah. We'll keep what it is. And then one more, and I can't believe that I bought this car, and I don't remember what else was put up. It was a choice lot, and like, this is the one that I wanted out of that lot, and other people bid higher than me, and I had stopped, and when it was all done, they didn't take this one. I'm like, I'll take it. So the custom Eldorado, it's a U.S. car in what is olive, you know, and for all the cars that I restore, mostly it's like what I look for is like kid paints and cars that are torn up and the paint's mostly gone and things like that. But thank you, Jim, for selling these. I'll be right back. I'm going to grab that other vet out of the case. Let's go take a look at them together. All right, so here's the other vet that I have had for a couple of years now. And I got this on an eBay junk lot, of all things. And, you know, this wheel's tore up a little bit. There's some chip paint on it, and the tampo's worn off the roof and everything. But, you know, there they are together. And obviously the one that I just got from Jim is a step up from what I had. And I'm just enjoying looking at both of these together right now. So I think that's pretty awesome. So thank you guys for watching. Leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think of these cars. Go check out Jim over at Redline Die Cast Cars. If you're on Facebook, look for the group Studio-Redlines. He runs auctions once or twice a week. And a bunch of other guys over there too. So go check them out. This is Don at Redline Garage. I'll see you next time. I just had to show you this too. So here's another one I just got not too long ago off of eBay. It has a lot of play wear on the tires, but surprisingly, the car itself is actually very good. But no play wear, play wear. There you go. It wants to go.